Alright, got a break today. Only got a couple today. First one's going to be for Herb. Herb, sorry for the wait there, buddy. He's going to actually get this shipped, which is a Mayo Classic's going to get shipped. But, going to try a BallPark baseball 2008. And got to give a shout out for one of Herb's buddies, Andy. What's up, Andy? How we doing, man? We're going to use the old Herb asked for the sword. Good whip. 2008 BallPark baseball. I'm just going to pull them out. Empty. Here we go. Let me know what you get out of those. If anything good, Herb, shoot me an email. Pack 1 is a 6-way. We'll get to that in a second. The duel is Johan and Chris Carpenter. The quad is Frank Thomas, Ken Griffey, Jim Thome, and Manny Ramirez. Quad jersey, just a base card of Eric Chavez. And the 6-way will be Kevin Millwood, Michael Young, Josh Hamilton, Flip, Miguel Tejada. Who is that? Mark Loretta and Roy Oswalt. 6-way. Alright. Cut. Yeah, jersey auto for the Reds, Brandon Phillips. Jersey autograph. Then we got Johnny Damon, Manny Ramirez, and there's Manny again, Albert, Vladimir Guerrero, and Carlos Lee. Quad. Base of Chris Young. That sounds funny when it whips across. Alright, moving on, Herb. Another sleeved card. Oh, you got a button. Number to 25. I thought that would have been an 8-way. Let's see what this is. This thing, if you can see it, the button down the side, it like billows, pops out of the actual card. Number 13 of 25, Jason Varitek. Man, it's hard to see the button, but it's in there. That's pretty neat. Well, I think the last 09 I opened had a button in it. It was like twice as thick, though. Jonathan Papelbon, Kurt Schilling, dual jersey. The quad is Billy Wagner, Johan Santana, Pedro Martinez, and John Maine. Quad. And a base of Mr. Pujols. Hope you don't miss. Alex Romero, rookie auto, don't see, no number. No number on that one. We got a duel of Cal Ripken and Derek Jeter. Nice jersey card. And Khalil Green, Greg Maddux, Trevor Hoffman, Tony Gwynn. Quad jersey. 2 Yankee legacies, Phil Rizzuto, Yogi Berra, and the last base card is Dustin Pedroia. The Red Sox are undefeated this year, and the Yankees haven't won a game. Alright, well there you have it, Herb. I appreciate it, buddy. And let me know what you get out of those if you pull some nasty card or something. Alright, buddy. See ya.